state of Georgia that this was a landmark case, that this was an awakening. This was an unringing of a bell that for many years in the rural parts of Georgia, that justice would not happen in cases like this. And Barbara, you may remember when we were there for the verdict, that we were there with Gerald Griggs, and Gerald grabbed us at the time of that verdict, and he said, and I think I'm close on this quote. Gerald's back.
Yeah, let Gerald tell us that.
There he is. Okay, he's back. All right.
Sorry about that. I'm still going through Georgia, so you know.
Right, those internet deserts.
But what I was saying was, you know, being from Atlanta, being from Georgia, you know, we've had a long history, a long troubling history of situations like this. But I knew that it was incumbent upon us as Georgians to join with this family and push back in a way that only Georgians really know how to do, in the spirit of Dr. King and John Lewis and so many others, to make sure we got in some good trouble. So when somebody slid that video into my DM, I automatically went into activation mode. And so, you know, we've been running with this family a long time. Well into March of 2020, we have been running with them through the state conference and through the Brunswick chapter of the NAACP through John Perry. And so we wanted to make sure that we were present all the way to the end. So you were talking about the quote that I said when we got the verdict. And it just felt like a weight had been lifted off of all of Georgia, because, you know, this case started Freedom Summer 2020. You know, a lot of people always talk about George and Brianna, but it started in Brunswick. And I can remember the first protest we had that most of Georgia showed up. That was back in May, and it was at least 1,500 to 2,000 people outside the courthouse. And we made a promise to this family that we were going to stay the course. And so when I heard the verdict, and I heard Marcus let out just that emotional feeling, it touched me. You know, and I was in the overflow room, so I heard it. And you know, what I said was, oh my God, we're actually getting accountability and justice. You know, and so, you know, in Georgia, this case really set the standard for all other cases. There's no excuse at this point for anybody to not get justice in Georgia. So that's why I'm just honored to be, you know, running with this family, running with you guys. I'm so proud of Barbara and Daryl, the work that you guys did every single day outside the courthouse, in the courthouse, supporting the Arbery family, making sure they understood that not only Georgia was behind them, but the entire country is behind them, and that we will not stop until we send every single person that's responsible for the killing and cover up of our favorite son, our favorite Georgian, Ahmaud Arbery, to prison.
Come on, bro. Yes. Yes. Real talk.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Gerald. And you're absolutely right.